Please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. What's happening, family? Tonio the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. Hope everybody's doing great. It's hot out here. See, I got my towel off here. Y'all wonder why you outside then? Well, because I got a little something new for you. Well, I got a little something new for Saddie that I'm about to install. Actually about to install this right here, my oil catch can. So about to install that, and yeah, we'll check on the next couple thousand miles and see how it works. But in the meantime, let's get it. So as you see, I took my cover off so I can get this. I already took this pin out because I watched a couple videos and they were having issues, so I went ahead and took that off so I won't have no issues myself. But yeah, let's get to it, man. I'm pretty much halfway there. Basically, yeah, gotta pull this out, just get this hose off right here, and yeah, so let's get it. Set this up here so y'all can maybe see what I'm doing, if it don't turn over. Alright, so got my screwdriver, trying to kind of get this hose out of here. Take off this side also. Like that. Whew, man, it's hot. It's hot. This engine is hot too. But yeah, since I pretty much got everything off that I need to do. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this spacer right here. Install this spacer on here. Y'all can't see it, but it is what it is. Try to hook it up where it need to go. Engine is still hot, so I'm trying to be careful. Don't burn myself. thought it was going in. But like I said, it's hot. Should have let it cool off a little bit more, but me being anxious, you know, do it now. So I got my socket and push it. Try to get that down. That should know up. Let me switch this up a little bit. That should work a lot better. Yeah. It's still hot, y'all. Still hot. So, try to show you as much as I can. Even though it's a lot of people that's doing this install on their vehicles. But, yep. Try to get it in. So it's still hot. A shorter socket. Hold on, let me see if I can get a shorter socket. Alright, y'all, let's try this again. Like I said, this thing is hot, so sure later to do it, but like I said, I'm anxious to get it on. See, this is hot. Turn it up just a little bit. Not all the way tight yet because I'm going to put these hoses on here, but it's tight enough for right now. I'll probably end up having to cut these hoses because it's a little bit long, so I'll probably end up cutting the hoses. get y'all an idea how's it gonna look. Got that in there. So as you can see, I got the brass fitting in there. I'm gonna stick it right in where the other hose was, and right into the catch can. And got a shorter hose right here. Put that in also. Brass fitting in. Said I'm probably end up cutting these hoses. They're a little bit too long, so try to get these cut at a later date. It's hot out here. Try to get this in here. Want to make sure it's flush the way it needs to go. Got that in, got the other one in there. I'm gonna connect it here. This hose. I'm gonna connect it back to the catch can. As I said, I'm gonna probably end up cutting these hoses, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it like it is. Once you get that in there, go and finish tightening it up. Just like that, even though it's hot, catch can is installed. Like I said, I'm gonna cut these hoses right here so they'll fit a lot better. But I do have it in, and yeah, so I'll probably fit it. Cut the hoses, get something to cut them with. Cut them so they'll look a lot cleaner, look a lot better, straighter. But yeah, man, that's it. That's the new mod that I got going right now. We'll see how it works. And don't forget to put my cover back on. So I'm gonna stick that back up. Yep, that just comes back down. There you have it, man. 4 catch can installed in less than 15 minutes. yeah. Whew, like I said, it's hot out here. Got me out here all sweating and everything. It's about 90 degrees at least. But appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all see the new mod. You know, told you got some stuff coming, so you never know what's gonna come. Cause I ain't gonna tell you before what's gonna come. I'm gonna just show you when it do come. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. If this is the first time on the channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like these videos, comment, let me know what you think about them, or just to say hey, and share them with your family and friends also, man. Cause I'm trying, you know, we all can go up in 2021. I can't do it without the support of you all, so I appreciate you. So appreciate y'all watching once again. God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you continue to have faith in Him, believe in Him, and trust Him. Believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself that you can do it, because you can do it, and everything else will fall into place. So, on that note, holla at y'all later.